So, time traveled to 4 years later, and it came out like this. Fairly happy with it, but now in retrospect, I do have some complaints. This bowl is a bit too deep, so it's uncomfortable to actually use, but I think it's a nice display piece. I don't think it came out bad, so yeah, if you like that, please leave me a like and subscribe. This is a recut video of an older video I uploaded. I just felt like it had too much meat to it. So yeah, watch out for my new stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.